Mia and the Enchanted Forest. In a quaint village surrounded by lush meadows and rolling hills, lived Mia, a spirited young girl with an insatiable curiosity. Mia's heart thrived with stories of magical realms and hidden wonders. And one day, she stumbled upon an ancient map in her grandmother's attic. The map hinted at an enchanted forest that lay beyond the village, a place whispered to be filled with talking animals, shimmering ponds, and trees that sang melodies. Fueled by excitement, Mia decided to embark on a grand adventure. As Mia ventured into a dense woods, the air became light with a sense of magic. Trees seemed to whisper secrets and colorful butterflies danced around her, leading the way. Mia's path was illuminated by the soft glow of fireflies, creating a magical trail through the heart of the forest. Amidst the towering trees, Mia encountered a wise old woman named Oliver, who shared tales of the enchanted forest mysteries. He guided her towards a sparkling pond where mischievous fairies played and frolicked silently. The adventure took an unexpected turn when Mia stumbled upon a hidden door in the trunk of the giant oak tree. With a deep breath, she pushed it open, revealing a passage to a pleasant meadow filled with rainbow-hued flowers and friendly creatures. In this secret meadow, Mia befriended a unicorn named Stardust and a mischievous pixie named Puppy. They joined her on a journey to the heart of the Enchanted Forest, where a grand feast awaited, hosted by Guardian of the Woods, a majestic tree with branches that reached for the stars. As the fest concluded, Mia felt a sense of gratitude for the magical adventure that unfolded before her. With a heart full of enchanted memories, Mia bid forever to her newfound friends, promising to return to the enchanting forest whenever her spirit yearned from magic and wonder. Back in her village, Mia shared her extraordinary adventure, sparking the imaginations of other children and creating a tale that would be passed on for generations. A story of a courageous girl that discovered enchantment hidden within the heart of the forest.